Hi all, I am Utpala Pathirana and I work as a senior software engineer at Monetary Authority of Singapore, and I am a postgraduate from Masters of Big Data Analytics from RGU. And the reason why I chose this particular degree program is because I was really interested to do big data analytics, and as from the experts in the industry, I heard that the IIT is offering this degree program from RGU, which is great, which had really good modules. That's why I chose the RGU degree program. Actually, I'm a proud undergraduate from IIT as well, so it was really easy for me to go for a master's degree. And I started my master's during the COVID time, and IIT has been very accommodative and very considerate of our problems, the situation, and they have been helping us all throughout the degree program. As you say, the COVID period was a really difficult situation for all of us. And apart from that, the quality of the academic staff is really great. It's very effective, and they deliver the content in a very productive manner. The way the supervisor of the final year research project conducted the lectures was really tidy, and it was really easy for all of us to understand how you should project the research thesis, and it was very practical as well. He had a very practical approach of allowing us to work during the lectures using the Pomodoro techniques, the techniques that everybody used to do work effectively. And this is like a great example where IIT demonstrates that the quality of their academic staff, they are not only just trying to give you the content, but also very helpful in making you productive and efficient. I was particularly reaching out to my mentor, my supervisor, all throughout the course, because as a person who has very much expertise on the industry and also on the technical aspects of the modules, I relied on my supervisor and also on my peer students, where we gathered together and discussed different things. And this is how we overcame specifically the challenges that we met. Maybe when during the modules, the assignments that we did, we always discussed together. I would tell the prospective students that this degree program has allowed me not only learn the technical aspects of the degree, but also the soft skills that comes together with it. And also, if you are like a student who is aspiring to go onto a PhD or more higher level of studies, this is like a good foundation, the Big Data Analytics degree program. Specifically, if you are going to choose a Big Data Analytics path, this is like a great foundation, and I think it will cover most of the things that you need as a foundation.